Hey, welcome to Bunny Workshop. Today we're going to bring you the brand new Airsoft EBB guns by Bow Airsoft, the SL47. And you may ask, what kind of magazine is it using? Let's take a look at it. It just needs a normal Manui AEG magazine, so you don't have to change the mag. And last week we have went to Taiwan having a shooting test. And when you take a close look of my arms, we can see that the recoil is quite heavy. And I can sure it is one of the best recoil EBB Airsoft gun now. Anyways, if you want to order one, come to Bunny Workshop now. See you later.